Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary at its technical level. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold corrected by 1.73% and closed at 49,508. Silver also closed on a negative note around 4.45% and closed at 58,488. In international market, gold is trading around $1859 per ounce and silver is trading around $22.20 per ounce. We have noticed that on the back of uncertainty over US economy, and we have noticed that US Federal Reserve Vice Chairman Richard Clarida said on Wednesday that the US economy remain in a deep hole of jobless and weak demand. So we due to this we have noticed that gold and silver corrected as people are like to sit on a cash, so they sell their positions, and we have noticed that heavy correction in gold and silver. So for today perspective, we are expecting the same. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 49,000, resistance at 50,000. Silver has a strong support at 56,500, resistance at 60,000. So the trend of gold and silver is negative. So we are recommending sell in gold and silver on higher levels. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal traded on a negative note. Copper decreased by 1.26%. And if we talk about the zinc also corrected sharply, and it's corrected by 0.81% October contract. For intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 515, resistance at 525. Zinc has a strong support at 188, resistance at 192. Lead has a strong support at 145, resistance at 149. Nickel has a strong support at 1050, resistance at 1080. The trend of the Asian market are negative, and also the trend of global growth is also in deep hole. So we expect that the demand of the base metal may decrease, and due to this we are expecting a negative trend may continue in base metal, and we can see a selling pressure in base metal on higher levels. So we are recommending sell in base metal for intraday perspective. Trader can go for short in base metals. Now let's talk about the energy segment. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices closed on a very flat note. Crude oil increased by 0.92%, and in international market is decreased by 0.40% and closed at 39.59%. Since the demand of crude oil is very low, global market of crude oil is oversupplied, so we are expecting prices can go down on the back of higher supplies. So traders can go for short in crude oil. Crude oil has a strong support at 2900, resistance at 3060. And also we have noticed that yesterday natural gas increased sharply. It increased by almost 14.73% and closed at 154.20. Natural gas has a strong support at 150, resistance at 162. So in crude oil we are recommending sell on higher level. Trader can go for short on a higher level, and we expect lower levels till 2850. And in natural gas, trader can go for buy as the demand is going to expected to increase in winter season. So traders can go for buy in natural gas around 150, and we expecting a target of 160 to 165. So we hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you very much.